All right, guys, we are starting our new unit today, and we're going to be talking about fractions and multiplying them. Now, it's really not that bad. It's almost just like the addition and subtraction. It's that simple. Today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on unit fractions, which is basically that one part. So if you're looking at this number line here, I've got all the way up to 3/4, and this bar is showing 3/4, but the unit fraction is 1/4. So 3/4 is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. It is 3 1/4 parts. If I were to write that as a multiplication sentence, 3/4 equals 3 times 1/4. That's it. So when we're doing things like this, all we are doing is changing the numerator. We're looking at the denominator, that stays the same, and we're taking our number and multiplying it by the numerator. So let's practice. Right here, what times 1/3 will get me 2/3? The 3 stays the same. It's not even going to go as my answer. So basically, what times 1 will become 2? The answer is 2. Okay, right here, I need to finish this sentence. 5/6 equals 5 times 1. Again, the denominator never changes, so it is 1/6. Now I need to finish and do the whole thing. So 3/2 equals what times what? If my denominator never changes and I'm using a unit fraction, I will be multiplying by something over 2. The unit fraction is always a 1, so I'm going to be 1/2. What times 1 is 3? There we go. For 6/5, again, what am I doing? I am multiplying a whole number by a fraction. That fraction will be over 5 since I'm doing a unit fraction, and I know that it is always a numerator of 1. I know I'm multiplying by 1/5. What times 1 is 6? I know this is really hard for you guys, but I'm sure you can do it. 6 times 1/5. Okay? Really simple stuff, guys. All you're doing is multiplying the numerator. That's it. So what you are going to do now is the independent practice, okay? 7/22. You've got that first row. It's asking you to just find out what the whole number is or filling in part of the fraction. Then it wants you to go and write the entire sentence. Remember, the denominator never changes. The numerator is always going to be a 1, so whatever you're multiplying is what you're going to have as your answer. Once you're done with this, you are moving on to the problem solving. I want you to answer all of these. When you're looking at these pictures, pay attention to what you see here. These pairs have been sliced in half. So right here, when it says to show your answer as a multiplication equation, your unit fraction is going to be 1/2 here. Same with the apples. This is 1/2. Okay? And then afterwards, you're going to go over it together. If you are confused by this, if any part of this makes your brain a little unhappy, you can go into the Google Classroom. It will be there in the Jones Math, or actually I changed it, it's the Hall Math. You can watch this video again as many times as you need to help you understand, okay?